The Dattebayo, a cocktail tribute to Naruto Uzumaki. Japanese whiskey, apricot, orange, and a ginger honey kick, crowned with a cream swirl that mimics the Naruto Uzumaki spiral from his favorite bowl of ramen. Bright, warm, chaotic. Believe it. 7 elements make this ninja's drink. Japanese whiskey, apricot liqueur, fresh orange juice, fresh lemon juice, spiced ginger honey syrup, orange bitters, and a tablespoon of cream for the swirl. Start with 1.5 ounces of Japanese whiskey. Suntory Toki is the accessible classic, clean and balanced. Nikkade's is honey forward and smooth. Hibiki Harmony if you're feeling premium. If you can't find Japanese whiskey, bourbon works. Slightly sweeter, but the ginger and apricot carry it. 1/2 ounce of apricot liqueur and 3/4 ounce of fresh orange juice. Together these are Naruto's signature jumpsuit color. Rothman and Winter, or Gifford, are craft apricot picks. Peach schnapps swaps in if you're stuck, and the OJ needs to be fresh squeezed. The brightness matters. 1/2 ounce of spiced ginger honey syrup. This is the nine-tailed fox's fire, the heat inside him. To make it yourself, simmer a cup of honey and a cup of water with a 2-inch piece of sliced fresh ginger and 1 cinnamon stick for 5 minutes, then strain. Keeps in the fridge for 2 weeks. Add the whiskey, apricot, orange juice, lemon juice, ginger honey syrup, and a dash of orange bitters to a shaker with ice. Shake hard until the shaker is frosted. Double strain into a chilled coupe or a rocks glass. Now the trick. Slowly pour a tablespoon of cream over the back of a bar spoon so it pools in the center. Take a toothpick and drag the cream outward in a spiral pattern. That's the Naruto Uzumaki swirl, the pink and white fish cake in ramen that was literally named after him. Float an orange wheel on the rim. The Dattebayo is bright, warm, and full of chaotic energy, just like its namesake. Serve it alongside a small bowl of ramen if you want absurd commitment to the bit. Fair warning though, there's enough ginger heat in this one to summon a Ninetales. Dattebayo. Believe it. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.